Jamie Buchmeier, COO with First Mortgage Direct, and we're going to be covering cash out refinances. So a cash out refinance allows you to utilize the equity that you do have in your home that you've built up over the years and use that to pay off existing debt and really accelerate your wealth growth by paying down those higher interest credit cards or auto loans with one monthly payment to put you in an overall better equity position. The most opportune time to refinance, obviously, is a time when interest rates are declining to a point where you could lower your interest rate a quarter, a half, or a full point into a lower monthly payment. Again, tandem that with maybe shortening your term and maintaining the same payment to pay your loan off faster. Something to consider with a cash out refinance is to ensure that you are obviously improving your interest rate situation. Paying off student loans that are at a lower interest rate would not be a good idea. You should just let those amortize as a student loan. Also, something to be mindful of is not to consider your home as an ATM, right? Use your equity to refinance your debt, consolidate it, and continue to pay that down rather than repeating the process. So in a cash out refinance, our loan officers are taking a consultative approach with our customers, explaining the process, helping them make the best decision regarding the refinance, whether they should consolidate the debt or should they take another plan of paying the debt off separately. If you have any other questions regarding cash out refinance, feel free to reach out to one of our licensed loan officers or find us online at firstmortgagedirect.com.